Hello, hi, good morning to all. Welcome to our channel. Today I am going to explain new chapter planning. According to Karnataka PU Board, planning chapter consists 7 marks. 1 mark question 1, 2 marks question 1, 4 marks question 1. Total 7 marks. 3 questions will be appear in this chapter according to Karnataka PU Board. Let us discuss the introduction of the planning. In a simple sense, planning is nothing but whatever we want to do, future course of action, we making proper plan for the sake of in order to achieve the predetermined goals and objectives. For instance, anyone is willing to travel to Bangalore tomorrow. Before he making a plan, going by bus or train, he clearly making the plan for reach the Bangalore. So planning is the first functions to be performed in the process of management. In every business unit or individual person, in any sectors, they may be required running a process of the organization or making any activities in a organization. They require best possible manner for achieve the predetermined goals and objectives. That's why we require planning. So let me know what is the meaning of planning. In generally, we are all aware of the planning is nothing but thinking in advance regarding future course of action. So let me know the meaning. Planning is a predetermined course of action to achieve a specific goal or objectives. In an organization or individual person or students, they may be holding some specific goals and objectives. They need to accomplish the goals and objectives. They require proper planning for achieving the specific goals and objectives, because planning is thinking in advance and planning helps to the direction how to do the course of action in an organization for getting a success. That's why we require planning. And one more meaning of the planning. Planning, it is a futuristic. Planning focus the futuristic possibilities relating to the any course of action in an organization. For instance, being a student, you think where will be after 5 years, being a commerce background students. We have the plenty of options, whether professional course, CA, ICWA or CS, or academically BA, BCom, BCA, BBA, or any competitive exams or entrepreneurial activities So you should think where will be after 5 years. So this plan give the direction to the respected students, build a career path for his own life. Likewise, enterprise or entrepreneur also holding the sound plan, it is helps to the how to implementing the any course of action in a organization, whether profit maximization or wealth maximization. So we require planning. So now let me know the definitions of the planning. MC heard planning is deciding in advance what is to be done. It involves the selection of objectives, policy, procedure, and programs among alternatives. What we were discussing earlier, planning is a managerial functions. It is a first functions of the management in an organization. Being a manager, before organizing, directs, and controls, you may be making the proper plan to execute the any course of action in an organization. So in this definition, indicating or clearly stated, planning is deciding in advance. In advance, what is to be done? What is to be done? What we are going to implementing the any suitable course of action in our organization. It involves the selection of objectives. We will setting our own objectives and goals relating to our course of action. And how to implementing that? What are the policies, procedures will implies to performing their functions, being a manager or organization, and programs among alternatives. So we holding many options. We may be choosing the which is the best one. It is indicating these planning definitions. And now we are discussing the features of planning. Planning consists of some of the features. That's why we are giving a importance in a functions of the management to planning, because without proper planning we can't move the other functions in a management. That's why we require sound planning to achieve the organizational goals and objectives. Let me discuss what are the features of planning. Number one, planning focus on achieving objectives. Planning focus on achieving objectives. Every organization has a set of goals and objectives. We need to achieve that. So when we holding a sound planning, it is focused on how to achieve our organizational goals and objectives. It is helps in order to achieve the organizational goals and objectives. For example, in any organization, they may be setting the compared to previous year, we will be achieving or earning more profit current year. This is the objectives of the organization, or how to meet or how to compete the other competitors in a market, or how to maximization of the wealth or profit. These are the objectives or goals of the organization. Here, Planning, it is helps to the how to achieve or how to focus the objectives and goals of the any organization. That's why we are calling it is a features of planning. And next one, planning is a primary functions of management. It lays down the base for all functions of a management. All managerial functions are performed within the framework of the planning. Without proper framework of the planning, we can't performing other functions of the management in an organization. That's why we are calling it is a primary functions of a management. When we holding the sound planning, we may be achieving within time bound what we are holding the predetermined goals and objectives. That's why we are calling planning is a primary functions of management. And next one, planning is a purposive. Planning requires all levels of the managerial functions, not only top level, middle level and lower level. Each levels required a proper planning performing the functions and they execute the respective course of action in an organization. Whether marketing department or finance department or production department, we require a proper plan. That's why we are calling planning is a purposive. And next one, planning is a continuous. Planning required always. Planning required always. When we are initially execute the any course of action in an organization, up to end of the process we require proper planning. Suppose any plans failure or inconvenient, we may be choosing or keeping alternatives convening the process reach our goals and objectives in an organization. That's why we are saying it is also features of a planning. And next one, planning is a futuristic. What we are earlier thinking, planning is a futuristic. It is a forecasting. It is able to analyzing the possibilities of the course of action in an organization. That's why it is also another features of a planning. Planning is a futuristic. And next one, planning involves decision making. We holding many course of action or many activities. When we making a proper planning, it is helps to the choosing which is the best for our course activities or our organization. This is the planning involves decision making. Being a student, we maybe decide which is the best course for our career. Or a businessman, he may be choosing a best course of action among available alternatives for the sake of grabbing the opportunities in a globally or how to face the competition in a market. So, or how to fulfill the gap between the products in a market. That's why it is helps to the taking a proper decision. And finally, planning is mental exercise. What we are saying, planning is nothing but thinking in advance. So, planning, it is a mental exercise. Being a manager or any experts, he maybe think possibilities in a future relating to specific goals and specific course of action. What are the positives negatives, or we are giving example over here, SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunities, threat to individual person or a business activities. When we are analyzing the SWOT analysis, it is helps to the move the proper going to our organizational objectives. So these are all the features of planning. Without planning, being a businessman or individual person or a student, we may be not able to achieving our predetermined goals and objectives.